Hello everyone out there, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little tour of our little girl's nursery, which I've been working on for quite a while now, but just finished up some of the finishing touches. It's a very small room, but we were able to find, the right pieces that fit in here really, really nicely. My vision for this space was to not have it be overly frilly or overly girly. I wanted it to be still a little bit neutral, with a bit of a feminine flair. I also wanted to make sure that we kept it as simple, kind of as minimal as possible, just kind of having the essentials in here, having it be a functional space while still being cozy. Also a little bit of a vintage flair going on as well, just a little bit. Most things in this room are thrifted or secondhand or were gifts, but I will try to share where some of the pieces are from in this space in case you are curious. And yeah, that's about it. I am almost 40 weeks pregnant, so we are max preg over here, ready to have a baby any day now. Literally. So yeah, we're feeling it. We're feeling it. Wanted to make sure I got this video filmed before the arrival of the baby. So let's do it. Let's do a little nursery tour. All right, so here is a quick little overview of the room and the space and the layout. Like I said, it is a pretty small space, but it doesn't feel super crammed or anything like that. So starting with this little bookshelf area here, when you first walk in on the left-hand side, I got the secondhand from Facebook Marketplace. I think I paid about $20 for it, and it was wood previously, but I painted it white. And I'm just really happy with kind of the little setup here. So I've got a little bit of artwork on the top, a little watercolor daisy that I did. I also got this adorable little green lamp from the thrift store as well. It was $5 and I just thought it was perfect. I just wanted a little lamp. And then we've got our baby monitor just kind of tucked behind it there as well. So the shelving here, keeping it really simple. I've just got a few books. All of these books we got actually from my baby shower for the most part, which was really lovely. I've got a little Sophie giraffe at the bottom, and I really wanted to lay out the bookshelf in a way that when she is moving around a bit more, she can access these books herself. I've also got a little plant here that I put in this little floral jar that actually used to be my Nana's. It used to be a sugar cube container, but I'm using it as a plant pot, and I thought that was kind of a nice way to reuse it. And then in here, I've got this little wicker basket with just basically a few baby toys. There's some little stuffies, there's some teethers, a couple textured balls in there as well for her. So I'm just kind of storing those sorts of little bits and bobs in the little basket here as well. And I feel like it's a nice way to kind of tuck it away, but still have them easily accessible. All right, moving on to the little crib corner here. So this crib we also got secondhand from a family member actually, which was really lovely. I wanted to keep kind of any artwork around the room also just very simple and dainty, so I've just kind of put up a little bit of a gallery moment happening here with some artwork that I did and some embroidery as well, which I'm super new to, but I am loving as a hobby. It's really quite enjoyable, so did a little bit of that. And then I have some more watercolor flowers here as well that I painted. And then I've just got a really small rug here that I got from HomeSense. I actually would like to get a bigger rug in here eventually, just for playtime, so it's more comfortable on the hardwood flooring. Moving on to this little chair area, the little window nook. So this armchair I also got secondhand. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. I think I paid about $60 for it. I was looking for a chair that wasn't too wide. I wanted it to be able to fit in this corner by the window really nicely, and it is perfect. This pillow cover here is from H&M. Adds a nice little floral vibe. And these curtains I am so in love with. So they are a linen, just like a sage green striped linen curtain that we got from Amazon. And then we actually put a blackout curtain that we've just kind of put behind them so that they are blackout. The view out our window just looks out to our backyard, and it's just very, very peaceful. There's lots of big trees, and just a lovely spot for sitting with the baby, for nursing, for doing all the things. Just next to the chair here, we've got a little laundry hamper and a little bit more artwork that I did. Actually, this is honestly just a blank canvas that I glue gunned on some wooden letters that I got from the dollar store. Actually, it was from, I had a whole bunch of these wooden letters from a other craft project I was working on a few months ago. So moving on to the changing station here, starting with this antique dresser that I have actually had for many, many years, and I have used for many different things over the years. We actually had it in the living room downstairs, but we brought it up here to use it because it has a really good sized tabletop for the changing pad. So it ended up working well in the nursery. The floral change pad cover is from H&M. And just to the left of it here, I've just got a few basic supplies. You know, I think this could change over time. I don't, you know, as a first-time mom, I don't know exactly what's best to have or what will be kind of my essentials, but I've just got a little baby brush, a little thermometer, some nail clippers, baby wipes, diapers, lotion, baby powder, those sorts of things. And then, of course, in the drawers, we've got all kinds of onesies, and in the other drawers, I'm storing things like swaddles and muslin blankets and things like that. So got a little bit more embroidery going on here too. This is my very first one that I made a couple weeks ago. So kind of cute to display that. And we got this really cute oval gold mirror that I'm really liking the look of in the space. I've had it for many years, actually. It used to be my mom's. And then just next to the dresser, just in the closet, is where we have the diaper pail. And then we have just like extra storage of various items. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little video, this little nursery tour. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of inspiration if you are looking to decorate a nursery sometime in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.